Hey everyone, my friend's old laptop was stuck on a blue screen saying automatic repair. Before we dive into fixes, I gave a good cleaning with a WD-40 Specialist contact cleaner and a microfiber cloth. Always good practice. I also created a bootable Windows 10 USB in case I needed to reinstall the operating system. First, let's address the hardware issues. For desktops, unplug all cables. For laptop, remove the battery and hold the power button for 30 seconds to clear the residual power. Reconnect everything and power on. If the blue screen persists, don't worry if you have more troubleshooting to do. I tried the many troubleshootings that show in the screen, such as startup repair, startup settings, go to the save mode, but the save mode in my friend's case laptop, it didn't work for the save mode. I even cannot access that mode. And also I do the troubleshooting like uninstall update as well. Like they have two uninstall update, one is the latest one is the feature one. I try all of that, but no luck. So let's get nerdy using command prompt fixes. Let's start with chkdsk. Basically it's check this to check and fix these errors. For a specific drive, use chkdsk space /backward f /backward r space and type C : replace C with your drive letter. So as you can see the screen now, and let the system work. Let's try another one. Is type fc space /backward scan now and enter, and let it scan. So this will to scan for the system errors and updates. Finally, let's explore the boot commands like boot-rec space /fix mbr, enter. Another one, type boot-rec space /fix boot, enter. It says access denied. Don't worry, we try next one. Boot-rec space /ntct space sys system, enter. And the last, boot-rec space /rebuild bcd, enter. Unfortunately, none of these work for my friend's laptop. This might be a case for a bootable Windows 10 USB drive to reinstall the operating system. I'll be sharing that process in my next video. Thanks for joining the troubleshooting adventures, and I hope this might help you if you face similar situation. Remember, it's all about learning and trying new things. Thanks for watching. I will catch you up for the next one.